Hello there, this is Yelnut, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a man versus machine server. First of all, you want to start, you want to click on your start, and you open up your menu, and you want to look up CMD if you're on Windows 7. You'll have a command prompt right here, and you want to type in ipconfig/all, and you're going to be looking for something called a default gateway. This is the number that you're going to enter in your web browser. So we're going to load up Google Chrome. I already have it here. Now, I have a two-wire router, so if you have a two-wire router, then good for you. You can follow along on this tutorial much easier. If you do not, you can look up portforwarding.com, and it'll tell you how to do it on your router. So, on a two-wire, you want to go to Gain Communications. Now, for a two-wire router, the computer that you're using is the computer that you can use for the server is the one that you want to set up the port for. So I'm going to use my laptop, which is called Brett Vio, and I'm not on a wireless connection, I'm actually on an Ethernet, so I'm going to choose this. Now, since I've already created Team Fortress 2 port, that kind of just eliminates the whole situation of us doing the tutorial, so what I'll do is I'll remove it and create a whole new one from scratch. I'm just going to delete the port now. Now we're going to add a new user-defined application. And we're going to call it Team Fortress or whatever you want to call it. Just do something about it. And the ports that you want to type in is 27015, and this is going to be for both. You don't have to add any of this stuff. You don't have to do application type. Now you want to do the same but do it under UTB. Add to list. Hit back. Now you want to choose the computer that you run your server on, so this will be my laptop on an Ethernet connection. We're just going to look for Team Fortress 2, and we're going to add it. And we're going to save. And now you're all done. Now we have to head over to TF2 to finish the rest of the setup. Alright, welcome back everyone. Okay, so next part is now that we have all of our ports forwarded, now we can make our server. So you want to hit create server, and you want to choose your map. Now since we're doing this for man versus machine, we'll choose man versus machine map. Choose your host name, and the max players has to be 32. If not, your server will not work, and in the console it will say MVM won't work without less than 32 players. Leave everything else the same. If you just want your friends to join or something like that, set a password, but in this case we're not. So we're going to start it. Okay, so now that the game is loaded, you want to continue. Choose a random character.
Now get to an upgrade station.
Now, at this point, you're still not ready. What you want to do is hit escape and go to your options and go to your keyboard and hit advance. You want to make sure that your enable developer console is checked. Now what you want to do is there's a key right beside the 1 or the exclamation point called a tilde key. You want to click that and you'll bring up your console. From here you want to type in sv_lan0. This will make it so your server is not a over local area network. It's going to make it a public server. Then you want to type in map and then whatever map you want. So we'll say Mann works.
Quickly find an upgrade station.
And now officially you have a Man vs. Machine server all hooked up. Now you're probably going to ask yourself, can I have proof that the server works? Well, me and Mikey, or McLovin for that case, do have videos of this very server of me and him cheating while everyone else had to play legitimately. So yes, this actually does work. You might not be able to get it to work on the first try. You might have some issues with your router, but I do guarantee that this all works. So, if you found this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
I finally have the atomizer now. Or, I told you that already, I guess. Well, that shotgun does pretty well. On the dick. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Major damage right here. I have enough. I'm taking this thing down with me.